Are you an Airbnb host looking to list your property for the first time? In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 common mistakes that people make when they go to list their property and how you can avoid them. Hey there, my name is Joe. I'm a real estate advisor with Compass. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about some common mistakes that Airbnb hosts make when they first rent out their property. So if you're just getting started or you're thinking about listing your property on Airbnb, then this video is for you. Here are 5 mistakes I see hosts make when they first list on Airbnb. Number 1, their listing doesn't make guests imagine themselves staying at their place. Guests who can see themselves staying at your place are more inclined to actually book with you. When people first start doing their research on Airbnb, they're going to scroll through all the photos, so make sure that you have detailed descriptions in each photo caption. You can make this super easy by repurposing parts of your listing description into the captions. Second mistake hosts make is they don't mention local attractions in the area. Better, actually explain why your Airbnb is the best option for somebody going to visit for those reasons. Maybe guests will have an easier path to access that park, for example, or maybe they have a private trail that they can explore. If you're near a beach, make sure that your guests take full advantage of a beach day, provide beach chairs, blankets, towels. You need to convince them that staying at your place will not only improve the quality of their stay, but their entire vacation. Number 3 mistake that I see some hosts make is that they don't aim for different seasons. Think about how you're writing your listing descriptions. For example, if you write enjoy the beach all day long, but then you have a guest booking in winter, although that's on your mind in the moment, you have to think about the guests who are traveling during other parts of the year. If your guest is traveling in the winter and they read that, they're probably going to assume that your place is not a good fit for them. So just make sure to explain why your property is ideal during all the seasons. And here's a tip, you don't have to mention every single season, just mention the ones that are popular. Number 4, not keeping up with guest trends. Airbnb guest priorities have shifted during the pandemic. Today, the most sought after features are going to be Wi-Fi, pet-friendly, kitchen, and washer and dryer inside of the property. Make sure that your Airbnb listing actually communicates what your guests are looking for. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel and I will always keep you updated on the latest guest trends. Here's another tip. Having your ideal guest in mind is going to be so key to this entire process. So almost imagine, close your eyes and think about, what is your ideal guest? Is it a group of friends who are coming over? Or is your property suitable for a long-term stay? Then tell them that your Wi-Fi is strong enough for working remote. And the last mistake that I see first-time hosts make is having a lack of clear house rules. Before booking your Airbnb, your guests need to read and accept the host rules. This is great because it covers you as the host. Your rules, however, must be detailed and comprehensive so that you're protected. Airbnb will stand by you if your rules are properly written. If a guest violates your house rules and fails to pay, Airbnb may compensate you directly. So when creating your house rules, think about some things that visitors might do that will cause a fine. This could be if a car is illegally parked, if there is a street sweeping day. You're going to want to specify that these fees will be charged to the guest and that the guest agrees to pay within 72 hours of checking out with you. So there you have it. By avoiding these common mistakes, you are setting yourself up and your guests for a smooth experience during their stay. Let me know what you think in the comments below, or maybe you even have a tip that you want to share with everybody. If you found this video helpful, please make sure that you like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.